Hey doTERRA family, welcome to your weekly business update. I'm coming to you from the set of Tuesday's live detox trainings, where every week our corporate experts and leaders are bringing powerful insights to help you grow your business. These sessions are packed with business strategy, compliant messaging tips, and confidence building tools so you can share doTERRA's detox protocols the right way and make an impact. If you missed this week's session, don't worry. You can register now for next week's training and join the conversation. You're going to want to be a part of this. We're officially kicking off week 2 of the detox training, and there's still plenty of time to jump in if you haven't yet. The feedback from week 1 has been incredible. The insights, the energy, and the transformation happening in our community is so inspiring. And speaking of inspiration, let's go to Callie Wilson, who's leading this week's class.
I think at this age, our lives are so busy. They're stressful. We're on the go all the time. It's hard to get enough rest, and we're dealing with a lot of probably toxins. And sometimes we need an inside cleaning up, right? In order to just feel more relaxed and feel like we can run more smoothly. So if you want to learn more, you should join me this Thursday. We're going to kind of dissect this tired but wired thought, and we'll learn about how to support your body more naturally and incorporate some gentle, healthy detoxing too.
Now, for a few exciting updates you don't want to miss. Leadership Retreat tickets go live October 15th, and this year we're heading to beautiful San Diego. This event is always a highlight, a chance to connect, grow, and be inspired alongside fellow leaders. Tickets are $79. Check out the link below for all the details and mark your calendars. This is one you don't want to miss. Now, let's talk about something that's going to make tracking your successes easier than ever. The Path to 500 is a home screen widget that shows your real-time progress towards your Power of 3 bonuses and boosts up to $500. It connects directly to the doTERRA Shop app, which is available for wellness advocates on both iPhone and Android. So if you haven't already, download the doTERRA Shop app, add the widget to your home screen, and watch your progress climb. All right, that's all for this week's business update. Remember, stay plugged in, stay inspired, and make sure you're registered for all of the amazing training opportunities happening right now. You're building something incredible, and we can't wait to celebrate your success. We'll see you next week.
Oh my goodness, the kids are finally down. Welcome to my 1-hour CEO window. As a busy mom, I wanted something that gave me more time with my kids and a little extra income by sharing products that make my life better. That's why I love doTERRA. I just share the products I already use and trust and earn money on each purchase. It's flexible, family-friendly, and the products work. And we're not small-time. doTERRA is a global leader in wellness with the best essential oils around. This business means I can fold laundry, pick up groceries, or be at school pickup while still building income and focusing on wellness. Want to see how these products can give you more? Text the friend who sent you this. Let's get you started.